Assalamualaikum guys. Today I will show you guys how to make bhendi ki sabzi. Bhendi ki sabzi is very nutritious and delicious, made in few minutes and can be served quickly in breakfast. So for making bhendi ki sabzi, you need to first fry cumin seeds in 2 tablespoons of oil and then add 1 sliced onion and cook it till golden brown. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now take 500 grams of lady finger, 1 sliced carrot, 1 sliced tomato, and 1 sliced potato. Add these vegetables in the fried onion, then add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add 1 glass of water. Add curry patta. Bhendi ki sabzi is ready to get served. So if you like my recipe, do comment below. Also please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Assalamualaikum.